back to another video. Today we went to a bird park in Malta. So we have some owls behind me and we're gonna watch some birds and you can come along with us. Got some white birds here. I have never seen such a weird bird.
What you think of them?
Such an amazing bunch of big birds. It's so cool to be able to just be this close without the cage thing. I'm really happy. I'm really happy we came here. And then I can take some video and pictures of the birds. What do you think about Bird Park?
Pretty cool.
So it looks like this was pretty much it for the bird park. It's very small, but actually kind of cool. I liked it. The next thing, we're gonna walk an ancient trail, and that should be really fun. It's quite close to here, so that's what we're gonna do next.
Now next we're gonna have something to eat.
Okay, change of plans. Someone's hungry, so the next stop is food, and after food we're gonna do the ancient trail, which is also gonna be really fun.
Roman trail.
It's an ancient Roman trail, just to clarify.
The sound that they make, can you hear? Listen to the birds. There's one. Black bird in blue shirts. What is he doing?
anyways, the Birds Park video and the Ancient Trail video was supposed to be one video, but I have way too much footage, and now that I'm editing, the video seems way too long, so I will have to separate it into different parts. So the Birds Park video is gonna be one video, and I'll continue editing the Ancient Trail video, so you at least have something to watch. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this part of the video, and I hope you will enjoy the next one as well. And if you liked it, you can leave a like and you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!